Everybody knows Sifu Lu. He's a maestro in our knees, and he's also one of our black belts, head instructors in Kenpo. Everybody knows him. He's the Green Dragon. This is Lasu Dwight Love, famous guy. He was also one of our students before, a long time ago. This is Lasu Dwight Love. This is Master Mark Fox. He's a Kenpo, Aiki, Jiu-Jitsu, Tang Sudo / our knees guy. He's also training with my instructor. Thank you for coming. This is Master Richard Scott. He's been in Kenpo for a long time. He studied under Brian Adams. He's been training, I think, for I know it's over 35 years. So that's why he's sitting up here. This is Master Frank Marino, another senior. He's been training over 35 years, and he's still with our studio for the last 30 years. This is Guru Mario Gaho. He's one of Master Babal's instructors. So we'd like to welcome him to the school. And then over here we have a special guest. This is Sifu Janice Samara. I haven't seen her in a long time, but it's good to see her, and she represents Penka Kung Fu. And then we have over here, this is my instructor in our knees. I started with him when I was 16, over 25 years ago. But so he's been doing it a long time. I've been doing it a long time. This is Master Nari Babal. Another special guest, we have, this is Master George Mickey. He's one of my first Kenpo instructors when I was 15 with my girlfriend in Mira Mesa. But anyway, we broke up, so I stopped training. George Mickey. Everybody knows him. He's Mr. Charisma. This is our instructor, Master Dan Cepeda. This is his better half. He's funnier than anything. Master Fred Cepeda. Introduce our black belts over here. They're right in here. This is Sifu Steve Egbert, one of our senior instructors, our head instructors. Sifu Steve Egbert. This is Sifu Dan Strawman. He's one of Sifu Dan's first black belts way back in 1980. Did I get it right? 1980. He's 81, I remember. 80. This is Sifu Dan Strawman. Adrian, he's one of the older guys also. All these guys have been training for over 25 years. Yeah, but you guys were part of our group, so that's why I wanted you guys right here. This is Sifu Adrian Warren. This is Sifu Tony Orlina. This is Louis Orlina's older brother? Younger brother, I think. He's older brother. Sifu Tony, he's one of our head instructors, Sifu Tony Orlina. Senior instructor Tony Ortiz. He trains with us in Kenpo. He's been with us for probably over 15 years. Tony Ortiz. This is instructor Nicole. Yes, Nicole Kidd. She's one of our new black belts. She's been here for probably only 10 years. We have other instructors in the group right here, and some of them are going to be tested in our knees. But I just want to point them out to you. This is instructor Win Lee right here. He'll be testing for Maestro, and he's also one of our black belts. The gentleman that just came in late, we see everything. This is Maestro Brian Mitchell. He'll be testing tonight also, and also one of our Maestros. And then we have senior instructor Dawn over here. She has a blue sash on. She's a late bloomer in our knees, but she's been with us for probably almost 15 years. She's also one of our black belts. Oh, there you go. This is Sifu Joe Taranga. I can't believe I forgot him. This is also trains with Sifu Lou Orlina, and also trains with our group. He's an old Haji Kenpo man, been training for over 30 years, and we love to have him here. I forgot, looks like where's your group at right here? Oh, there you go. He's got his own cheering crowd. Instructor Andrew will be testing for a black sash today.
We're acknowledging Maestro Rick. And before we get started, I want to introduce Ricky's mom and dad in the audience over here.
seconds. And time. We got each other? Get in there. Go, mix it up. One straight. Head seconds. You should go use your hand. Time. This is brother and sister.
Go, sister.
Back up. Go. Shuffle in. Go. Good. Here you go. Good. Keep going. Keep going. One more time. Time. Get in there.
Come on, Justin. Hey. Brent. Hey.
Touch gloves, hands and feet now. Hands and feet, go. Keep going, you're all right. Keep going, keep going. Cover up. Get back up. Touch gloves, hands and feet. Touch gloves first. Go. Come on, hands. Head second. Go, keep going. Time. Black belt here. If they felt that one of you wasn't ready for their next level, all they had to do was say something to them. Everyone feels that you guys did great. So everyone passes. And then instructor Dawn, they feel that she did enough to get her brown set. So she will go to brown. Okay? Justin, come over here with Sifu Dan right there, and Brett with Sifu Fred right there. Catch the dog. When they get promoted to maestro, they change colors. They go from black to red, and we present them with a red jacket.